All right, guys, check out the shirt. Warren Buff. Get Buff and Rich with Warren Buff. There's a store. I'm selling these. I don't know how much. They're on there for something. Anyways, guys, I'm sorry about delaying this video for so long. I had some life issues. Me and my girlfriend are no longer together. We were together for 5 years, and we just essentially wanted different things. We're still on reasonably good terms, and that I just wanted to take a little bit of a break from doing some things. And it's going to be a little bit different environment around here, so I didn't want to get too nuts into work. I wanted to take a little bit of a break. But it's going to be great to focus on trading again. That will keep my mind off things, and hopefully I can teach you guys and have you guys as a little bit of company, because I have yet to ever actually live on my own before. I moved into like university when I was younger, and I was living with like 12 roommates, and then immediately after that I moved in with my girlfriend, and now I am 26 and still haven't lived on my own, so this is going to be the very first time, so it'll be a little bit different. Anyways, guys, this video, we had a good couple of weeks. I stopped trading there for a few days, so it did just cut off, and we're at a different number now on the actual account, but I will start recording again, and we will post some videos either end of next week, probably, because it's already about the middle of the week now. So let's just kind of put things together, and you guys can see how it's going along. Remember, this is the most woke trader in the world. You guys are going to learn a lot. Let's do it. But on Monday, we were actually looking for a long on U-Swiss here, and you can see the higher time frame. We clearly dove really low here, started retesting kind of this previous zone right there on the higher time frame, and then we really rallied off of that and showed a strong reversal on this point. And now, after just simply retracing back down here, and we retested this this demand right here, this hidden demand there. If you don't know what hidden demand is, that's something that's kind of taught a little bit on stream. Maybe if you wanted to watch some streams, you can learn that. But then we saw the rally off of that, and we quickly picked up a position, and we basically got stopped out just barely before it started going in our right direction. And now what we decided to do again today, we're still in the same bias. We still want it to come back up here, so we were looking for another long there, and we did actually happen to take a long here. I know it's a little bit iffy here because I'm showing you the guys in the past, but we actually ended up taking it, I believe, on this white candle right here, right before the move. So we are looking at a long position here. We took a stop just a little bit wider than the area there, and then we're actually targeting the very tops up here. So if we can get this week, this is going to completely destroy any losses that we had there on Monday, on Friday, last week, that we were talking about, a little bit of losers going on there. And this is going to completely pull us out of the water up to 13R there. That would be absolutely fantastic. And we're obviously taking profit along these highs right there. So coming soon, hopefully. All right, guys. So looking at U-Swiss again, I think we took out some here last night before going to bed. I went to go to bed right around, I go to bed around 8 o'clock my time here. So 20 on the time slot down there. And that's right around the peak. And it was just kind of lucky that we took some off there. We have a little bit running left, and I did get stopped out on one of my positions on this wick here, so it wasn't as big of the whole move, because I had entered one lower here and one higher here, as you guys can see, kind of the two trades there, and this one got stopped at break even, dead on essentially, and then it continued up in the actual direction. Now I do have a little bit still running that I will leave running, possibly to either break even or to the final take profit here, but we did manage to lock in some good profit this week. It is now Thursday, so we have one more day. That's essentially the only trade I took. I also took a euro trade there, but it was essentially the exact same setup, so let's not really talk about it too much. And there might have been one or two more that I don't really remember, but they're just not super significant. So this was the whole basic of the trades of this week. And the previous week was also quite light, so I think that's essentially all we're going to be getting for these past 2 weeks here. And we did get some good profit here. We did get maybe about 5K, but we'll check the actual number tomorrow. Waking up in the morning here, boys, on Friday. We're going for a killer long on AU. Just buying up the sweep of this order block here untested after the rally there yesterday. See on the higher time frame major sweeps, this is most likely actually going to go quite far and kill these tops right here. So I'm not sure the exact take profit yet, but we could run this way up here even nice and easy for a massive profit. Alright guys, it's super dark and this is going to be a little bit blurry here, but I've got the account here and I just wanted to show you we've just moved the stop into profit. I risked a lot on this one. So we're actually about 2,000 right there. You can see in profit right now, and we'll just jump to the chart. Yeah, so looking at the chart here, we can see that we just bounced off perfectly, and we've just put our stop at break even now, so it's a free trade, and that's about 2,000 right there. So we did actually risk quite a bit on this one, just because it was such a tight stop. So once it does start moving, we should make absolutely massive profit on this one. Oh, right. TP1 hit, boom, 5R, nice and easy. Stops are now right here, and we are gonna let the rest run. I want to put the daily highs as another take profit, and then we'll just let this run over the weekend. I don't imagine we're gonna hit that today, but we could. So I just got my glasses off and I've just been packing up here, but you know, there's the real account and you can see the Aussie trade still going, about 3,300 in profit. We've already taken off about 2,800, and I'm just going to take off a bit more, close the trade for the rest of the week, and leave it for Monday. So we can see what it's actually looking at here. It looks pretty good. It's just almost hit that second take profit there. So I'm about to leave for the weekend. It's almost time to go anyways, the end of the week. So we'll let the rest run for that last little bit. That second take profit hit about 8R. Good try. So guys, as expected, I did skip a lot of the actual information on those trades, just because some of the data actually got corrupt, some of the audio was missing, and one of the weeks I just didn't bother to put in because there wasn't enough good trades, and it was a very short week for me. So hopefully that was enough information. There was just a few major trades there. We did make some really good profit. The previous week I did lose a little bit of profit, but that was that really short week, and now we are up, going very well. So I'm going to start making a little bit more videos, a little bit more information here for you guys. Hopefully, if you do guys like this content, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you can tune into the live streams when they do happen on the New York sessions, and then you can learn even more detailed. See you guys next time. Listen.